in the VLOOKUP, you always provide the column index number, right? On the basis of this. But here you will see for one t-shirt, there are three values depending upon three different cities. Okay, so that is why here what happens basically, that here you change the item. So what happens, like whenever you will be implementing, let's say you are implementing VLOOKUP, whenever you are using VLOOKUP, so either you can use what, this items would be fixed, either the item will get fixed or else this particular city will get fixed, because it will always be asking the column index number. So what you can do here, let's see the complex way to implement it. So it will be VLOOKUP, particular cell I have selected. Now on the basis of this, I've selected this, comma. Now in the column index number, now what I'll do, I'll put match. Now within this match, I'll select the city, comma, lookup area. I select, and match type would be 0. That is exact. So when I'll implement here for the column index number only, I have provided match. Why? Because now I'll be telling you the usage of match. So here, comma, range obviously 0, and enter. So now you can get it. So here you can see that whenever, if let's say I have changed Chennai to Pune, the answer got changed, right? Or else if from trouser I'll change to t-shirt, so you will get that answer changed. Now basically what it is saying, that you need to have two different factors, and on the basis of these two different factors, you need to figure out the discount. So for this, right now I have used VLOOKUP, but there is an option as well. Like there is an option of using exact index and match. So index does what? Index is exactly like VLOOKUP. Index, if you will implement index, so what will happen? It will ask you for two things basically. Here there is one area. It will ask you ki bhai, from which area I need to extract the data. The second, it will ask you the row number. Ki bhai, within that particular area, what is the row number? And then it will ask you for the column number. Okay, for example, let's say I have selected this area, and if I've selected this area, and if I need that Pune trouser discount on Pune, so in the trouser discount in Pune, for first I need the row number, right? So for trouser, the row number is, for the trouser, the row number is, whenever we started learning about lookup or HLOOKUP or any formula, I always told you that you are not going to count the row numbers on the basis of this number or this one. You are always going to count the row number on the basis of the area we have selected. You are not going to count the row numbers on the basis of the Excel sheet. You are going to count the row number on the basis of the data you have selected. So that is why I am asking that for trouser, what is the row number? Second, right? The row number is second. And for Pune, the column number second. So what it basically index says now, tell me the area and tell me the row and column. I'll match the row and column. So wherever the particular cell will be forming, I'll provide you the result. Okay, that is what index does. But, and what is the use of match? So basically, match provides you the number. Like what it will do, let's say you provided this match and you need to ask t-shirt, that where is the t-shirt. So you just selected the lookup value. Now here is the t-shirt, you have selected the area, and when you say I need to match the t-shirt exactly, so it will count the row number or column number, that doesn't matter. It will count that where your t-shirt stands for. So here it is saying that 1, because within this particular area t-shirt stands at first place, right? Rather than t-shirt, if you select shirt, like here we have said, so now here you can see that it is 3, right? Why? Because the usage of match is to provide the index number. So that is why whenever this particular index is asking for the index number, like a row number and column name, so rather than putting it a row number and column name, we used to provide it a formula like is equal to index. Now we have provided the area. Area should be this much. Now what we do, we need to provide row number. So in the row number, rather than writing the row number, what we will do, we will implement match. Match lookup value, this one, comma, lookup area. So here it is, okay, and match type is 0. So when this formula will result, then row number of whatever we will be pasting here. Similarly, for the column number also, we'll be doing the same thing. Match lookup value, and lookup area. So this will be the lookup area for that. Okay.